Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mazda Miata. Begin by lightly sketching a rectangular box to set the car's overall length and width. Next, establish the wheelbase and ground clearance with horizontal lines. Then, block out the main body mass, including the hood and trunk areas. Finally, define the general shape of the cabin and the prominent fender flares. This foundational step ensures correct proportions. Now, let's refine those initial shapes. Gently smooth out the boxy outlines, transforming them into the Miata's characteristic flowing curves. Pay close attention to the iconic pop-up or fixed headlights and the distinct grille opening. Carefully draw the windshield, side windows, and the subtle door cut lines. Don't forget to define the wheel wells and the lower body panels for a realistic stance. Moving on, it's time for the wheels and finer details. Draw the circular wheels and tires, making sure they fit proportionally within the wheel wells. Add the side mirrors, door handles, and the fuel cap for authenticity. If visible, lightly sketch hints of the interior, like seats or the dashboard. Finally, include subtle panel gaps and body creases to give your Miata a more three-dimensional and finished look. For the final touches, let's add some shading to bring your Miata to life. Apply basic shading to create depth and volume, indicating where light hits and shadows fall. Use slightly darker lines to emphasize key outlines and details. Add small highlights to suggest reflective surfaces like glass or chrome. Take a moment to review your drawing, making any small adjustments needed for a polished result. You've drawn a Miata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.